Hi, good morning, traders. I hope you're doing great. As you can see, this is the daily time frame of Bitcoin, and let's dig into the charts. As you can see, this was the all-time high around 69k. Then we have been falling from there. So we are in a downtrend right now. Okay. So trend is your friend. Let me say this. This is a three-wave pattern to the downside. As you can see, this is a three-wave pattern. I will label it for you as well. As you can see, this is 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5, and this is 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5. So this is a three-wave pattern, which I will call W. Then we have this triangle ABC, that is my X. Here is my X. Change the color so that we don't get confused. The X or wave B is against the trend as a correction. So this is the correction. As you can see, this is the corrective pattern, and then we broke below the previous low as an impulsive move. So what comes after three waves is a five-wave pattern, or it can be a three-wave as well as another WXY. So if 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 was a W, then we have this three-wave pattern as X. So we have W and X finished. So what comes after 3 3? There is a 5. So we have 1 2 3. This is my 4 here as a triangle, and then we have this 5. But there is a problem that it can come down again, because it can be, this can be a whole WXY here, this can be a whole WXY here, and we may have one more 5-wave pattern to the downside to finish this WXY, and we may find bottom there. Otherwise, we may just simply go from here as 1 2 3 4 5 and continue the upside till about at least 50 to 80% of this move, or make an ATH till about 120% extension of this wave down projected from here, projected from the last low, and then come back, because this would be W, X, Y, or we may go back another 5 wave down and make another 3 waves up, or we may just continue as 1 2 3 4 5 from here to make another ATH and continue to the upside for the longer run as we have been previously. But we need to confirm, as there are a lot of scenarios right now. This is a three-wave pattern, this is a three-wave pattern, this is 1 2 3 4 5. Similarly, this is a three-wave pattern, this is a three-wave pattern. So 3 3 5 is a WXY, but we may have another Y inside the another WXY inside the wave Y. That's why it is still possible to see one more leg down as 5 waves down. So I just wanted to clarify this here. Now let's go into the smaller time frame and see what is happening there. As you can see, this is the last known bottom currently of this downtrend. This looks impulsive and corrective. It can be impulsive and corrective. I will label it so that you can see what am I talking about. See, this is what I'm talking about. As you can see, this is A, B, sorry, this is my this is my A, then this is my B, and this is my C. So we have completed the 3-wave pattern to the upside. S, A, B, C, and now we may continue falling down as another ABC, which will be the 100% of previous leg to the downside. Which is at around 11229. Or 10521 if it extends. Alright, that would be the bottom of this downtrend. It is always good to stay with the trend until there is a clear confirmation or the waves are finished. I would like to see another 5-wave down to complete the WXY pattern of the bigger count, as I showed you earlier. We may continue falling down from here. As another WXY. Alright, this would be the bottom. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and also comment and share with your friends as well. Let me know if you have any other pair you want me to start looking for you. And if you have not still yet subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, because I post daily videos of Bitcoin, DXY, gold. These are my favorite 3 pairs, but if you have something else, you may comment as well. I would like to include it in my favorite list. Alright, take care and best of luck. Bye.